Hey everybody, it's Renee, and I'm going to show you this fun journal I just made. It's a soft cover, and it is going to be my journal for the next while until I fill it up. So let's have a look. So with this journal, I did a technique, and it's a faux technique, kind of a leather type technique. This was using a shopping bag, just a paper shopping bag, and I covered it. I crinkled it up first, then I cut it to the length I wanted, and I ran over it with my distress ink. I used vintage photo and black soot. So I went over that lightly to get the colored ink where it needs to be, and then I went over it with Mod Podge. So it got me that look there. So this journal I am actually doing, it is a very thick one signature journal, and it is a soft cover, as you can see, and it is going to be an art theme. So with this one, because I love art, as I know all of you do, or you wouldn't be here, I am doing basically a journal of what I'm doing for the next little while, and different things I'm going to see and do, and whatever ephemera or bits and pieces I get, or happy mail or what have you, is going to go into this. So I am going to show you what I have so far, and once it's completed, I will do another video on what it actually became. So let's have a look. And like I said, it is a work in progress. So I've added some things. There will be lots of journaling in here. I've done some things with like my jelly plate and other little bits and pieces. Some of this is like pictures I've taken. I wanted to have different lengths of papers and different widths. I added stamping. These are, you'll see a lot of really fun ones. These are Cat's Eye Press, those stamps. Just different papers and what have you. So I added a little bit of stuff, but as you can see, there's a lot of empty, and the empty is for a reason. So I've done like bits and pieces of ephemera, and I put them into pockets, but I will show, once I'm completed with this, I will show you what I actually did and do a full flip through. Here's a pocket, and like I said, it's all artsy. It's gonna have like an artsy theme, but it's gonna have my day-to-day life as well, and journaling, and things I might get on road trips or whatever I might come across. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and I've been working on this one for a little while, you know, bits and pieces. I love this image. I believe that's Artie Mays, but anything that I'm showcasing, if it was a digital or something I bought, I will actually link it down below. Lots of washi. There's some Stamperia papers. This is Dina Wakley. Like I said, I will show you a full run through once I'm done. But this is a great way to make your journal and use that for yourself, because a lot of my journals I sell, but this one will be for my own self. I have 5 other journals right now on the go. So those will be coming up very soon, and I have some mixed media videos coming up very soon as well. So you'll want to go and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification and all, and you'll get those videos as soon as they come up. So I appreciate your support, and if you like my videos, make sure you hit that like button. So this is a rub-on. I love this rub-on. But yeah, this is going to be a fun one. And like I said, I added lots of areas where I can journal and do whatever. I love this stamp. It's so funny. Yeah, and like little bits and pieces. These are cards I may have got inside subscription magazines or from art shows or whatever. I added those in. Anything that kind of I thought was cool and artistic. We all get inspiration all the time from everywhere. So add some of that into your book as well. You know, it's just fun to make. So this is the middle of our signature. So now we're going to do the last part. And like I said, it's a work in progress. and we will be adding, classic, hey? We will be adding a lot of different things to this, and I will show you once it's completed. But it is going to be a lot of fun. Here's a belly band. Lots of different elements. Have to add cats. You know me, I'm a crazy cat lady, but I have to always add some cats somewhere. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. I love this saying, and I think this is so true. Don't stop shining just because someone is intimidated by your light. So true. Again, awesome image. Have that one. There's a few different ones. I have them throughout here. Love that crinkle. So you can add like your stamps, you can add bits and pieces. These are a bunch of different things I did with alcohol ink. I had them just sitting around. There were different samples. These are parts of an art calendar. So I just added that. Have those all over. Those I believe are Paper Artsy. Yeah, lots of different bits and pieces. Lots of art journal stuff. And gel plates, different cards I got from different art shows I went to. Some tailor-made journals. This is just a flip, and again some alcohol inks. Some fun stamps throughout. So this will be a fun one to use. I will be closing it with a ribbon. Ooh. Naked picture, but this is I believe this is David. This is an actual vintage postcard, I guess, but that's from the Louvre. I believe, is that the Louvre? Now I'm curious. I've been to the Louvre. Now I'm drawing a blank. I believe it is. Yeah, David Michelangelo. It actually does not say, but I believe that's where it is. So anyways, there's some art for you. You can add whatever you want, but this is my art. I'd like to say it's not a typical art journal, but it's my journal that incorporates art. So bits and pieces and things that make you happy, and it's again just your journal from day to day and things that make you happy. And then there's the last page. So this will be filled throughout. It's going to be one heaping journal by the time I'm done. But I am going to have a lot of fun with this. And I will show you what's coming up down the road when I'm completed with it and when it's full. See, look how thick that is already. And I'm just starting. So it will be a fun one. I hope you stick around and you check out what we do with the final version. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day and stay crafty.